In this video, I'm going to do something slightly different to my other language videos by having 3 languages in one, as I would prefer to make one video instead of 3 separate ones, as they all would be expressing the same sentiment. Some people struggle with deciding which verb form follows people. If I need to decide, I like to mentally separate people from the verb and think about who I'm referring to. For example, if I wanted to say, Carla and I want to go to the cinema, I think Carla and I, then pause, then think how I would refer to those people. Carla and I, we want to go to the cinema. You can see that we is referring to Carla and I. This is easier with languages that usually drop the subject pronoun, so, starting with Italian, Carla ed io vogliamo andare al cinema. Carla and I, we want to go to the cinema. You can see that the sentence with we refers to Carla and I, so that is the correct verb form. You can say io e Carla if you wish. So vogliamo andare al cinema on its own means we want to go to the cinema. So, this means that without the pause, it is correct to say Carla ed io vogliamo andare al cinema. In speech, you can pause before the verb to decide which verb form to use. The same idea is exactly expressed in Spanish. Carla y yo queremos ir al cine. Carla and I, we want to go to the cinema. So it is correct to say Carla y yo queremos ir al cine. In French, think of the nous form. Carla et moi, nous voulons aller au cinéma. I'm aware of how formal that sounds in French, but it is irrelevant as it is simply a way to check the correct form of the verb. You drop the word nous and say Carla et moi voulons aller au cinéma. I want to do one more example. If I want to say Carla and Ricardo want to go to the cinema, I do the same trick. Carla e Riccardo vogliono andare al cinema. Carla and Ricardo, they want to go to the cinema. This makes sense. You are referring to those 2 people that want to go to the cinema. As you use the they verb form, you take out the pause and you say Carla e Riccardo vogliono andare al cinema. In Spanish, Carla y Ricardo quieren ir al cine. Carla and Ricardo, they want to go to the cinema. Without the pause, Carla y Ricardo quieren ir al cine. In French, you do almost the same thing again, but you drop the pronoun. Carla et Ricardo, ils veulent aller au cinéma. Without the pause and pronoun, Carla et Ricardo veulent aller au cinéma. As you can see, the key is to pause and to think about who you are referring to. For one person, it is certainly easier. For example, es inteligente, Roberto es inteligente, that sort of thing. Well, that's it for another video. I hope that this video helps you, and thank you for watching.